A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 4 of chapter 9 differential equation. So class, in previous lecture 3 or 2 I have discussed order of differential equation, degree of differential equation, and how to find out the general solution of differential equation and particular solution. So now today I will discuss first order, first degree differential equation. Differential equation of first order and first degree. Now see, now heading is differential equation of first order, first degree. Means first order means order will be 1 and first degree means degree will be 1. So how you can say, or how you can define the differential equation of first order and first degree? Means the equation which contain dependent variable, that is y, independent variable, that is x, and differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Means dy by dx. That is, the function will be in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Means function will be always in the form of f of x comma y is equal to dy by dx form. Or this one also we can write f of x comma y comma dy by dx is equal to 0 form. So dependent variable, independent variable, and the differential coefficient of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, and this one can be expressed f of x comma y dx, and suppose g of x comma y dy is equal to 0 form, where f of x y, g of x comma y, that is the function of x and y, where f of x comma y and g of x comma y is a function of x and y, you can say. Now this is the basic definition or basic explanation of differential equation of first order and first degree. And when you will see in this equation, you will get its order is 1 and degree is also 1. Now I will come to the next topic, method of solving a first order and first degree differential equation. Method of solving first order and first degree differential equation. Now see, now heading is methods of solving a differential first order and first degree differential equation. Now come to the first point. For the differential equation, dy by dx is equal to f of x. First point, First point is, first of all you have to write the equation in the form of write the differential equation or this given equation. Write the given equation in the form of dy is equal to fx dx. dy is equal to fx dx. Now second point is integrate both the side of the function which is given, integrate both the sides and add an arbitrary constant. Add an arbitrary constant to one side. To one side of the equation which you will get. Now third point, when you will add constant, then you will get general solution. Then find the general solution, with arbitrary constant C. After adding C constant, this will be the general solution. Now next point is, suppose this is point 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now come to the fourth point. The fourth point is in general solution. When you will get the general solution, and you have to put the given values of x and y. So fourth point is, in general solution put the given values of x and y. And now what you will get? You will get the values of C. When you will put values of x and y, you can find out C. C is the arbitrary constant. Given values of x and y. Now then find the value of C, and after putting the values of C in the given general solution, or which I have find after integration, find the values of C. Now fifth point will be put the value of C in general solution. Then what you will get? You get, or after putting the values of C in general solution, you get the values of particular solution, or you can say you will get particular solution of differential equation, particular solution of differential equation. Now this is the 5 steps how to calculate the particular solution, general solution of the differential equation of first order and first degree. Now this is the method. Now come to the question. Question number 1 is, solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x. So now first of all we have to write the given differential equation. So solution is the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 by x. So this expression we can write x to the power 5 plus x square minus 2 times 1 by x in curly bracket dx. Now again third rule is we have to integration, means integrate. So integration over dy is equal to integration over, this is x to the power 5 dx plus x square dx minus 2 times 1 by x dx. Then what will be the result? Result will be, see, integration over dy means y is equal to x to the power 6 by 6 plus x cube by 3 minus 2 times log of mod of x, and now plus c, log of mod of x plus c, minus sign here, minus log of mod of x and now plus c. This is the general solution. General solution. Now this is the, you can say, which is required general solution. This is the answer. Now this is completed question. C. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Solve the differential equation, and given equation is x plus 2 dy by dx is equal to x square plus 4x minus 9. So solution, the given differential equation x plus 2 dy by dx is equal to x square plus 4x minus 9. This implies dy by dx we can write x square plus 4x minus 9 whole upon x plus 2. Now we have to simplify the term. This can be written as x plus 2 whole square minus 13 whole upon x plus 2, and this result is dy by dx, so dx will be here. Now this is the format dy is equal to f of x dx. Now we have to change this. Dy can be written as, this is x plus 2, when divided by x plus 2, result will be x plus 2 minus 13 1 upon x plus 2 with the dx. And now you will operate integration sign. Now integration over dy, you know that is y, and integration of x plus 2, result will be x square by 2, and now plus 2x minus 13 times log of mod of x plus 2, and now plus c. See, this is outside the board. So minus time 13 log of mod of x plus 2 and now plus c. This will be here. This is the answer, or which is required. Differential equation, general solution. General solution. Now this is the answer, x square by 2 plus 2x minus 13 times log of x plus 2 plus c. After adding c, you will get a general solution. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is dy by dx is equal to sec square x plus 2x. Now we have to solve this equation. Now see the solution. The given differential equation dy by dx, this is sec square x plus 2x, and now dy we can write sec square x plus 2x dx. Now operate integration sign. Two times x dx. Now integration over dy, result will be y, and sec square dx, result is 10x, and 2 times this integration result will be x square by 2. And now you will add constant, arbitrary constant, that is plus c. So y is equal to 10x plus x, and now plus c. This is the required general solution. This will be x square, which is required general solution. Now this is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is solve the differential equation 1 by x dy by dx is equal to tan inverse x. So now see the solution. The given differential equation, that is 1 by x dy by dx is equal to tan inverse x. So dy we can write x time tan inverse x and dx. Now integrate, operate integration sign. In both terms, this will be first function and x dx, because we have to solve this expression by using integration by part. So see here, first function means integration of dy result will be y. So y will be equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is the first function, and integration of second part means first function integration of second function minus sign integration over, I am writing here integration over dy by dx of first function means 1 upon 1 plus x square. With the differentiation of this integration of this part, result will be x square by 2, and now whole dx. So y will be equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus sign, and this one can be written as 1 by 2 integration over x square means 1 plus x square whole upon 1 plus x square minus 1 upon 1 plus x square and dx. This will be dx. See, here I am writing minus sign integration over x square plus 1 whole upon x square plus 1 dx, and with plus sign integration over 1 upon and suppose this one x square plus 1 and minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now see, this result will be 1 by 2 outside. So y is equal to x square by 2 tan inverse x minus sign is here minus first integration will be minus 1 by 2 1 dx, and second integration will be 1 upon 1 plus x square dx, and this result is x square by 2 tan inverse x. This is also tan inverse x, so x square by 2 plus 1 time tan inverse x, because tan inverse x is common. So minus 1 by 2 minus x by 2, now plus c. So answer is x square by 2 or x square plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x minus x by 2 plus c, this which is required. General solution, which is required general solution. Now this is answer. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Question number 5. Now question number 5 is solve the differential equation e to the power dy by dx is equal to x plus 1, and it is given y of 0 is equal to 5. So now first of all write the given differential equation. Given differential equation e to the power dy by dx is equal to x plus 1. Now I have to take a log on both the sides. So what will be the result? Taking log on both the sides, is equal to log of x plus 1. Now you know the formula, log of e to the power x, result is x. So this calculation will be dy by dx is equal to log of x plus 1. Now you can separate dy in terms of dx. So dy is equal to log of x plus 1 dx. Now operate integration sign on both the sides. Operate integration sign on both the sides. Now what will be the result? result will be dy is equal to integration of log of x plus 1 dx. Now we have to integrate log function, so we have to convert in terms of product of two function. So y will be equal to 1 times log of x plus 1 dx. Now apply integration by part. So log of x plus 1 will be the first function and 1 will be the second function. So y is equal to log of x plus 1 into integration of first function integration of second function, this is first, this is second, minus integration over d by dx of first function will be 1 upon x, means 1 upon x plus 1, and now 1 dx integration is x now dx. Now this one again I have to integrate. So what will be the result? Result will be log of x plus 1 times x minus its integration. We can write integration over x plus 1. Suppose this is x plus 1 and minus 1 dx. So first integration will be integration over 1 dx, and minus sign, minus minus plus will be integration over 1 upon 1 plus x or x plus 1, both are same, dx. Now see, result we can write y is equal to x plus 1 or x time log of x plus 1 minus 1 dx, result is you know x, and plus 1 upon x plus 1, result will be log of x plus 1. Now again we have to simplify, or log of x plus 1 is common from this term. So result will be x plus 1 times y is equal to x plus 1 times log of x plus 1 and minus x, and now plus c. Again plus c is here, minus x plus c. Since it is given y of 0, this is y of 0 means 0 is x. So y of x result is 5. When you will put x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 5. Then I am putting value. So what you will get the result? So 5 will be equal to, at the place of x you have to put 0, and you can write y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 0. So 5 will be equal to 0 plus 1, result will be 1. So 1 times log of 1 minus 1 plus c. So what will be the result? Result will be, this will be 0 because at the place of x you are putting 0. So c you will get 5. C answer is 5. This is the general solution, and after solving at a given values of x and y, you will get c, and after putting c in the general solution, you will get particular solution. So see how you calculate the particular solution. See here I am writing. Here I am writing in suppose this is equation 1. Equation 1 is the general solution, and put c is equal to 5 in equation 1. then what you will get the result? Y is equal to x plus 1 log of x plus 1 minus x plus 5. This will be the particular solution, which is required particular solution. Which is required particular solution. Now this is the answer. So answer is x time log of x minus x and plus log of x plus 1 plus c or plus 5. This is the answer. You can split it or you can multiply x time log of x plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 and minus x time log of x plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 minus x plus 5. Now this is the answer. Now this question is completed. See.